Hi, good evening, friends. I'm Kumar here. Welcome back to Art of Trading. So now I have selected a few stocks which have an high potential chances of either breakout or breakdown for this coming week. That is 21st September to 25th September. So I have chosen few stocks here. There are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, around 9 stocks. So I will go one by one. I will explain whether it will go on the buy side or the high probabilities on the buy side or the sell side. Okay, the first stock is HCL Tech. Okay, the HCL Tech, as you can see, nicely it is trading in the uptrend, and within there is one range it is trading within the channel. Okay, this is the channel where it is trading. Okay, so it is trading in this channel, so it is at this point now. So tomorrow what can happen, so before trading all these calls, or before like analyzing all this, after watching this video, one should keeping few things in mind, that is market direction, okay, and the stock direction. So keep these two things in the mind. And the next thing is, you have to look for the dynamic resistance, dynamic support levels. Okay, and the third thing is you have to wait for the confirmations, one or two, more than one confirmation, and with just one confirmation you can't go enter. Okay, so at least there should be one or two price action confirmations, okay, along with all these factors which I told you. There should be one or two price action confirmation also. So with so much keeping in the mind, you have to go and trade the stock. Okay, so coming back to this HCL Tech, so as you can see, it is trading in this range. Tomorrow it may happen is, it may come down at this support level. Okay, so wait, okay, till HCL to come down till this level or till this level. Okay, if you find any confirmation on this level or on this level on the buy side, you can go buy. In the worst case, if the market is very weak, then you can expect HCL Tech to come till this level. Okay, this is one of the dynamic channel support level. Okay, so if you find any support over here, then again you can buy here. So there are one chances over here, two chances over here, and this is the third chance. So all these three levels you can buy, only provided if you have the market is in the buy direction, the stock also it's in the buy, so that's not a big problem. But you have to find one or two, more than 3 4 confirmation, along with the support, resistance, channel support, everything. Okay, so look out for these levels. Okay, if you want to buy HCL Tech. Okay, that is, I will tell you, that is on 806, 8 and 8, 795 and 780. So at these three levels you can, if you find any confirmation, you can go buy HCL Tech. Okay, the next stock is Marico. As you can see, it's in the downtrend. The stock is in the downtrend. As you can see, multiple number of times the stock has tested this channel. Okay, as you can see here, one second. As you can see here, it is multiple times it has tested this dynamic resistance. As you can see, one, two, again it came down from here, again 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is one of the dynamic levels where Marico has come, and again it is retest and it is going down. So the one thing you should keep in mind, the stock is in the downtrend. So what you have to do is wait unless you get any confirmation on the sell side. Okay, sell side, that is, see, as you can see, it is tested here, tested on this area, this area. This is the this area. So tomorrow, what may the next week, you wait until the stock comes, or if you find any confirmation on Monday, if it trades in range over this point, and if you find any confirmation, you can wait at that point and you can sell from there. Okay, sell from there. Or else, if stock comes and it finds any support over here, you can buy. but I prefer you to find only sell calls in Marico, okay? Because as the stock is in downtrend, don't ever try buy calls, okay? If also if you find any confirmation, because it may not come until this point. If you get any buy, it may come till here and it may go all the way down. So don't take this risk, okay? So always find the sell calls in Marico, okay? So the level for here is Marico is if it comes around 365 or 360 to 365, anywhere near this level you can short Marico, okay? The next stock is Cholafin, okay? Cholafin, as you can see nicely, it is trading in the uptrend, and you can see it is around the multiple resistance level, okay? This is the one of the level. This is the one of the level. So it may come till here again because the stock is trading here, but again there is a multiple resistance over here also. See, multiple. So again it is trading here. So here again it had come and tested this. Again it had gone down. Again it went up. Again it came down. Again it is trading higher. But here at there is a very good bullish candle. So what may happen tomorrow? It may come and close near this level. Okay. So at that point of time you wait till here at this level. Mm, 1 second. Wait this till this level, that is 248 250 level. Then you try and sell, okay? You try to sell, because see, as you can see, there is a multiple reversible points from there, a very dynamic resistance level at this point. So 348 350 mark. So if you find any kind of a confirmation on this area, you can try selling Cholafin, okay? And if you don't find, you can try again buying Cholafin from the same level till up to the target, that is up to this target, okay? You can up to 260 from this level. Which level? From 250 253 level. If it starts going on the upper side, if the stock is very strong, then you can buy with the confirmation up to the target of 260. Or if you find any reversible patterns there, you can sell around 250, okay? The next stock is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge, as you can see, the stock is in the downtrend now. In the present situation, that it is in the downtrend. Overall trend is up, but the right now it is in downtrend. As you can see here, again it is trading in the channel. Okay, at this channel, this is the channel it is trading. Okay, multiple resistance, again down, up, and this is where it is now. So already it has given a bullish figure over there. Okay, so watch out for tomorrow. The stock is Bharat Forge. Watch out for tomorrow. You can buy above, if this sustains above 481, you can buy above 481. If Monday also, if the thing sustains above 481, you can buy up to the target of 486, okay? And the fourth stock is, sorry, fifth stock is Balkrishna Industries. As again you can see, the stock is in the uptrend, and you can see it is trading at the high, what do you call, the dynamic resistance area. You can see the one time, the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth time it is coming on that level, okay? So watch out on this level. Be cautious at this level. If you find any good reversible patterns over here, on which level I will tell you, around 1425 level, okay? Because 1425 level, because it may reverse from 1403 itself, okay? If Monday, if it didn't break this level, that is 1402, if it is not able to break this 1402 level, so then if you find any reversible on the sell side, you can sell from 1402 level itself. If say on Monday it got a gap up and it is taking the support of 1403, gap up, and it is staying the 1403, and again it retesting at this level, you can buy above 1408, okay, up to the target of 1430. 1430. Okay, so this is the retest you can buy, or else again if you find any resistance, if it couldn't break this 1408 level, then again you can sell. Okay, the next stock is Bata India. As you can see, again it is trading in the range. The present situation, the stock is trading inside the range. Okay, so what you can do is, so see, the first time it came down, again went up, came down, again went up, and is trading in the range now. Okay, so anything can happen on Monday. Don't trade it on this area, as I told you. Either trade on the dynamic resistance level or the support level. Wait Bata to reach this level. Okay, to sell, or wait this level to buy. What is that level? I will tell you 1 second. That level is 1357. Wait for the stock to come and trade near 1352 to 1357. If you find any reversible sell confirmation, you sell, or again, or wait to stock to come down near to 1324 to buy. Okay, if you find any buy confirmations. Okay, so the next stock is Havels. Havels also is, as you can see, it has broken this channel, and it is come out of the channel. Hmm. So as you can see here, it is broken this nice channel which was trading from past couple of days, the last from more than 1 week. I think it is broken, and what we can expect is the stock to come and trade over here. So wait till this level. Okay, wait till that level. I'll tell you which level is that. Wait, Bata, sorry, which stock is this? This is Havels. So wait, Havels to come and trade near 1688. Okay, and you find any sell confirmation, you can sell, you can short Havels on 1 2. Sorry, 1 2. 1 second. 1688. Sorry, 688 mark. Okay, you can sell around 688. If it didn't come for a retest, or on Monday, if it is trading at this level itself, that is 674 level itself, and if you find any buy confirmation on this level with good volume and all, you can buy levels above 677 up to a target of 688, almost 10 points. Okay, the next stock is Titan. Titan also, as you can see, it is trading in the last edge support of the channel here. As you can see here, it is trading at the edge of this support level. 1 2 3. This is the fourth. It is fourth time it has crossed this thing. Tomorrow Monday it may come and reverse back again into this channel, or it may come and retest and it may come down. So both things can happen. Looking the market directions, whether if it is bullish, and if you are finding any buying confirmation, you can buy Havels. Okay, you can buy Havels above 116 1175, above 1171. Okay, 1170, above 1170 you can buy up to a target of 1188. Okay, or else if the market is a negative, wait for the retest or sell below 1170. So 1172, above 1172 you can buy, or 1170 you can sell. Tita. Then the final stock is Mindtree. Mindtree, as you can see, it's nicely trading in the uptrend, and as you can see, it has formed a very good bullish enfugal pattern. So watch out for tomorrow, because it may be a retest, but according to me 80% it's not a retest. It may enter the channel and hit the target. I'll tell you, if you want to, if it is which is this Mindtree, right? Mindtree, if it sustains this 1285 level, you can buy above 1285 up to the target of 1302, almost 15 to 16 points for on the buy side. Or else if market is negative or very flat, you can expect it may go, it may retest, and it may come down again. So the confirmation on these levels is very important. So as you can see in all the pattern, confirmations on that level, on the dynamic support level, is very important. So this, depending on your decision on this level only, you can go on the buy side or on the sell side. So to learn how to trade on these levels, how will you get the confirmation on which way to go, what will be the high probability whether the stock go on the buy side or the sell side. To know all this, one should learn the price action strategy, okay, the scalping strategy. So to learn that, you can join my paid classes which I conduct every weekends. Okay, so this is the basic idea I've given about all the stocks which are high probability of breakdown and breakup chances in this coming week. So watch out and trade accordingly. Okay, thank you guys. Have a I hope you will be having a good profitable in the coming days. Okay, thank you.